versus Devin D. and 73 others will serve as the lead file in the proceedings, save to add that they will need to add all the parties that are omitted. For instance, Mr. Ochiel's clients, Dr. Mwimali and Muhuri, and any other that may have been omitted. Those are the orders of this court. Thank you, my lady CJ.
Thank you, my Lord Justice Ouko, for delivering the ruling on behalf of the court. Having delivered the 7 interlocutory rulings arising from the 7 interlocutory applications, the 3 petitions are now consolidated, and the read file is petition number 12. We will now proceed to give directions for the hearing of the petitions as consolidated. In light of the above decisions, the directions of this court with regard to disposal of the consolidated petitions are that petition number 12